Hello Purple family. Welcome to Purple Code. Today in this video we are going to learn about the control statements in Java. In Java, a control statement is a statement that allows us to control the flow of the Java code. Java has three types of control statements. 1. Decision-making statements. It decide which statement to execute and when. Decision-making statements evaluate the Boolean expression and control the program flow depending upon the result of the condition provided. 2. Loop statements. Loop statements are used to iterate the statements till it has become false. 3. Jump statements. Jump statements are used to transfer the control of the program to the specific statements. In other words, jump statements transfer the execution control to the other part of the program. So let's understand each statements with examples. In decision-making statement, it has if and switch statement. If statement has four types. 1. Simple if, only execute when the if statement is true. 2. If else, if the if statement is false then else statement will be executed. 3. If else if, multiple if else statements. 4. Nested if else statements are situated inside another if else statements. The next statement is switch statements. It chooses options or cases according to the argument passed through in the switch function. Now we will going to learn about the looping statements in Java. In Java, there are three types of loop statements. A. For loop, it enables us to initialize the loop variable, check the condition, and increment/decrement in a single line of code. B. While loop. The while loop is also used to iterate over the number of statements multiple times. C. Do while loop. The do while loop checks the condition at the end of the loop after executing the loop statements. When the number of iteration is not known and we have to execute the loop at least once, we can use do while loop. At last, we will see the break statements in Java. In Java, jump statements are used to jump or transfer the flow of the code to another iteration. It has two types. A. Break. As the name suggests, the break statement is used to break the current flow of the program and transfer the control to the next statement outside a loop or switch statement. B. Continue. Unlike break statement, the continue statement doesn't break the loop, whereas it skips the specific part of the loop and jumps to the next iteration of the loop immediately. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. And also don't forget to leave your sweet comments. Happy coding!